Welcome to Narayan Global Academy. This is one of the renowned school in Jaju. So here you are watching a participation of the students in the school workshop where they are making the project works and few students are busy to make chart papers. So really they are having very fun here, and in a group they are working and they are helping each other. So this is a kind of courtesy every time they are learning, because we teachers are always give efforts to the students learning by doing. So it's a good, because if they follow this kind of thing, so definitely they will progress in their life, and for the development this kind of workshop is very necessary. So look at those students, how they are helping each other to make project works. They are using the channel files and worksheets, colorful pencils. Look, one of the girls is really very busy in her work, and they are drawing something on the front page of the project, because they have been guided how they will make the points on the project work. So really the guidance is very required for those students, those who are the beginners of the project learning. And this kind of activities are really very important in their academic line. So don't we think this kind of activities are really very important for them? Yes, really it is very important. Look at those students, how much they are excited, they are enthusiastic. Look how good they are making their project by using the colorful pen and pencils, and they are decorating the file with the front page by writing the Narayan Global Academy. And this is the only school in this area where your child can learn better. So we emphasize all the students to be active in all kind of activities. So really you are welcome to see how the students are learning by doing. And look at that, because this is called a creativity. If we arise their creativity which is inside of the students, every students, so definitely this will helpful in their academic work. How they are setting their chart paper, they are thinking what to do and what to make, what to draw, because they have been decided earlier what they want to do. And look how they are helping each other, because this kind of assistance only they can learn in the school. After a long pandemic situation, now they are allowed to come in the school, and they are doing everything what they like. So really we are very happy to have them in the school, and I really appreciate those guardians, those who are sending to their children in the school to learn, and we always are with them. Thank you, guardians.